Tightens sagging breasts quickly and easily in 1 week. Saggy breasts are part of a change in breast appearance that most women experience, especially as they get older. This tends to be a completely natural cosmetic change. Usually owing to age, ligaments in the breasts, called Cooper's ligaments, stretch out over time. This is typically due to gravity, though other causes may be involved. The main causes of saggy breasts include aging, collagen deficiency, estrogen deficiency, gravity, high body mass index, larger breast size, menopause, multiple pregnancies, rapid weight loss followed by weight gain, or vice versa, and smoking. Here is a natural recipe which can help prevent sagging breasts. Ingredients needed. Gram flour. Besan or gram flour has long been used in India for its many benefits for skin and hair. In fact, it is a traditional beauty home remedy that is used right from the time when one is a baby. Gram flour is great in exfoliating dead skin cells. It is used to remove acne and dark spots. It helps to tighten skin, which makes it beneficial to tighten and firm up breasts. Fuller's earth. Fuller's earth is known for its ability to absorb oil and other impurities, which can make it an effective skin cleanser for people with oily skin or clogged pores. It's also said to improve skin tone and complexion, and soften and tighten the skin. Fuller's earth is a clay-like substance that's mostly composed of aluminium magnesium silicate. This name comes from its use to remove dirt and oil from wool. A wool refinery worker called a fuller would apply it to the wool. It's also called multani mitti, or mud from Multan, which comes from the history of mineral-rich clay in that city in Pakistan. Yogurt. Moisturizes skin, reduces wrinkles and fine lines, fights acne, fades blemishes and pigmentation, reduces dark circles, treats skin infections and soothes sunburns. Yogurt contains an anti-aging property that helps leave your skin looking younger. It helps also to tighten up the skin, and it's very beneficial for tighten and sagging of the breast. Egg. Eggs can be used in improving skin texture, be it dry or oily. Egg yolks are rich in fatty acids which can lend moisture to the skin, while the egg whites contain albumin, a simple form of protein that helps tighten pores and skin and helps remove excessive oil. Recipe and method. Put 1 tablespoon of pure gram flour into a clean bowl. Add half a tablespoon of Fuller earth powder, and 2 tablespoons of yogurt, into the bowl. Pour 3 tablespoons of egg white into the mixture. Stir all ingredients together to make a smooth paste. Apply treatment generously on your breasts. Massage gently in a circular motion. Leave on for about 20 minutes to dry, and then wash off. After washing off, use ice to massage your breasts thoroughly. Apply olive oil, and massage this into your breasts. This will help in tightening your breasts in just a week. This treatment can be stored in the refrigerator for about 4 days.
If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button. We need your support to keep posting, so please subscribe and click that bell notification button so that you get notified when I post new videos. And if you would like, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.